Shadows in the corners whisper through the night. Voices in my head won't let me sleep. Minutes tick to
People will have
hours,
negative opinions about you
sinking in
and
the
every
deep.
single thing you do.
Mind a roller
Let them.
coaster, never
Let them
slows
judge.
down. Trying to
Let
get
them
away
react.
seems I might
Let them doubt
drown.
you.
Heart
Let
in a
them question the
frenzy,
decisions
thoughts
you're
on the
making.
chase.
Let them
Locked
be
in a
wrong about
space,
you.
can't find
Let them
my
roll
own
their
space.
eyes when you start posting
Trapped in my
videos
mind,
online.
can't
Instead of
find the
wasting
key.
your time
Chased by my
worrying about
fears, won't
them,
set me free.
start living your
Running from
life in a way that makes
shadows, nowhere to
you
hide.
proud of yourself.
I've just had a really important meeting with my cats. Meet Lord Rocky and Missy Meow. Seriously guys, these two have never been happier. And it's all thanks to feeding my cats catkin for over 11 months. Changes have been amazing as the food is 100% fresh meat. Just look at those shiny coats, bright eyes and great energy levels. Their digestion has improved, no more sickness and clean bowls every time. The best present I ever gave them was making the switch to catkin. There's a little giveaway happening too. The details are in the caption if you'd like to enter. And of course you can also use any 50 for 50% off your first box.
Stop rushing so much. Stop stressing and worrying about the past and the future. Stop wasting your precious seconds on this earth by making everything about things you cannot change or control. Let go of the what ifs, could haves and should haves, and accept everything for what is. Sometimes you really need to remind yourself that you only get this one life, this one chance to live your life to the fullest.
Do you want to know how to earn free electricity to use on Sundays? It's as simple as reducing electricity usage during weekday peak hours 4 to 7 p.m. EDF Sunday Saver Challenge saves you cash and carbon while contributing to a more sustainable national electricity grid. I've been using a heated air instead of a tumble dryer, doing laundry during off-peak times and using eco settings. We charge devices in the morning or before bed, and a slow cooker really helps save energy too. You can earn up to 16 hours of free electricity to use on Sundays. I used mine to wash and dry bedding and towels, prepare treats for the week, do a slow cook roast and watch a film. What would you use your free electricity for?
Summer's endless holiday. Coconut kisses under moonlit skies. Sipping sweet dreams in your eyes. Taste the laughter of unscripted. Every moment so unrestricted. Morning waves and distant sails. Seaside stories and the trails. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. In your arms I find my ease. Your sunshine melting all my fears. Salty breeze and lazy cheers. Sand between our toes we sway. Summer's endless holiday. Coconut kisses under moonlit skies. Sipping sweet dreams in your eyes. Taste the laughter of unscripted. Every moment so unrestricted. Morning waves and distant sails. Seaside stories and the trails. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. In your arms I find my ease.
In case no one has told you lately, you are amazing, strong, brave, wonderful, kind, loved, worthy, and there is no one like you. The world needs you. Anyone can give up. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. But to hold it together when everyone else would understand if you fell apart, that's true strength.
Sinking in the deep.